All right, everybody. It feels like the entire AI world is just holding its breath right now, doesn't it? There's a rumor that a new supermodel is right around the corner, and honestly, it could change everything. So today, we're going to dive deep into all the leaks, the whispers, and the chatter to figure out what's really happening with the next generation of AI. Okay, let's get into it.
Make no mistake, what we're witnessing is a full-blown AI arms race, with all the biggest players making these massive billion-dollar bets. And right now, the most intense speculation, all the buzz, is swirling around the company that really kicked this whole thing off, OpenAI. And it all boils down to one burning question.
Is a brand new GPT model about to drop? The rumors are absolutely flying, and you've probably seen the names being thrown around, GPT 5.3, maybe even 5.5. But what's the real story here? Let's dig in and see what we can find out.
Now, to really get why these rumors carry so much weight, you've got to understand the kind of pressure cooker OpenAI has been in for the past few months. Seriously, they haven't just been building new stuff. They've been defending their turf against a relentless series of moves from their rivals.
And man, this timeline really tells the story. First, back in November, Google's Gemini 3 just landed like a bombshell, and it got amazing reviews. Then, just as things were calming down, Anthropic comes out with Claude 4.5 Opus, and it absolutely wowed everybody. Some experts were even calling it the model of the year. This apparently triggered a code red inside OpenAI, pushing them to what some insiders say was a rushed release of GPT 5.2. And the final punch? Apple, one of the biggest prizes in tech, announced its future AI is going to be powered by Google's Gemini. That is just a brutal 3-month stretch for any company.
And this quote just hits the nail on the head. After that December scramble, OpenAI just went dark. The silence was almost deafening, and it's just fueled all this speculation that something really big must be coming. So what have they been building in secret? Well, the leaks point to a massive 2-part counterattack.
Right, and this counteroffensive seems to be split between software, which you'd expect, and, get this, hardware. We're hearing whispers of an incredibly powerful new model codenamed Garlic, and this completely out-of-the-blue hardware project called Sweet Pea. This is where the plot really thickens. Okay, first let's talk about Garlic. The source for this leak is said to have a perfect track record, batting 1,000, which gives this some serious credibility. The model is rumored to have gold-winning reasoning and be fully multimodal, handling not just text but images and audio seamlessly. Now what's really interesting is that last point. Users are already noticing that ChatGPT is acting, well, more personable. And this probably isn't random. It lines up perfectly with OpenAI's own statements that the next frontier isn't just about raw intelligence, but about personality.
And now for the real curveball, Project Sweet Pea. This isn't just an update, it's a bold, massive leap into hardware. The leaks describe this unique eggstone device designed to be an AI-first way to interact with the world. And just look at those numbers. Foxconn is the manufacturer, with a projected first-year run of 40 to 50 million units. This is the crucial point here. OpenAI isn't just trying to build a better AI anymore. They're trying to build a whole new way of interacting with technology, owning the entire experience from the cloud right down to the device behind your ear. That is a massive strategic gamble.
But while OpenAI is planning its next big move, the ground is shifting under everyone's feet. A powerful new challenger is emerging, and not from some secretive corporate lab, but from the open source community. And it's taking aim at one of the most valuable domains in all of AI, writing code.
Say hello to DeepSeek V4. This is a huge deal. For a long time, the best AI coding assistants have been proprietary, locked behind corporate walls. For the first time, a truly open source model could be ready to take the programming crown, making elite AI tools available to developers everywhere.
And these aren't just empty boasts. According to leaked internal benchmarks, DeepSeek V4 is set to outperform the current champions from OpenAI and Anthropic. Its secret weapon is apparently its mastery of extremely long context windows, which lets it understand these huge, complex code bases. If this is true, what does that mean? It means the best tool for building the future might soon be free for everyone. That's a genuine paradigm shift.
Of course, the other titans in this space aren't just sitting back and watching. Google and Anthropic are pushing forward, making their own strategic moves to strengthen their positions in this increasingly crowded field.
Over on the creative side, Google just rolled out a major update to its video model, Veo. It has this new feature called Ingredients to Video, where creators can upload reference images of characters or props to lock in that visual consistency, which, as you know, has been a huge problem in AI video.
They also added vertical video support, which is a clear, smart nod to social media creators. It's a really practical upgrade.
Meanwhile, Anthropic is retooling its entire innovation pipeline. They're transforming their labs team into a dedicated internal incubator. The strategy is pretty clear. It's not enough anymore to just have a powerful model. The real race is about turning that power into polished, real-world products like Claude Code and Cowork faster than the competition. They're building for speed.
So what we're seeing is this fascinating split in strategy. You've got OpenAI betting it all on a new supermodel, combined with a risky, ambitious hardware play. Google is refining its creative tools and leveraging its massive platform advantage with deals like the one with Apple. Anthropic is doubling down on turning research into products fast. And all the while, this dark horse from the open source world threatens to completely upend one of the most critical markets. So the question that leaves us with is this: is the future of AI going to be a closed ecosystem controlled from the cloud right to your ear? Or will an open source challenger prove that the most powerful force in tech is still a global community building together? The next few months are going to be absolutely